What's up guys, it's ANIPPEI, and today I want to start off this video by unboxing two packages which will serve a huge purpose for this video. I actually wanted to make this video for a really long time, which is teaching you guys how to get skate apparel shoes for a really good deal, and I want to show you guys how I get mine so cheap. Corey Kennedy's, the Nike SB All-Star CKs. I'm not the biggest fan of gray shoes, but I am really stoked on these. I got these for $14 on Mercari. So these shoes obviously have more value. Retail, they were probably about $80 from what I remember. The pro skater of the shoe, Corey Kennedy, he is in jail now, so unfortunately Nike did stop producing his shoes. So I want to tell you guys how to get clothing and shoes for super cheap. So 5 apps that I use to get better deals for clothing and shoes are Grailed, Mercari, Poshmark, Depop, and OfferUp. So all these apps basically function the same way. They pretty much carry almost any brand you can think of. I usually just get Nike products on these apps. I don't use Mercari too much, but it's still a really good app to find great products for great prices. Like right now I see these are just running shoes, but they're Nike SB Air Costons. They're $21. That's a great deal. I use Depop a lot. I think that's like the best place to negotiate prices with people. These are some shoes that I've gotten super cheap. The Janoskis, they specifically don't produce the OGs anymore, which are my favorite. So every time I see them for a really low price, I make sure to cop a pair. I've gotten this shoe for, I believe, like $17. They are almost brand new. This Supreme Nike blazer goes for over $100, and I got these for like 50 bucks or something. Grailed, I bought some stuff there too. I feel like that's more for like streetwear, but you can still find pretty cool brands on there. Really great deals. And Poshmark, I feel like people tend to price a little bit higher just because the seller fees on there are higher. So make sure you're generous like when it comes to like lowballing people in a way, because a lot of the sellers don't receive the full payment that is listed, and they also have to pay for shipping. And make sure you always ask for the condition from every seller, because you want to get the best deal for yourself, you know. Last on my list was OfferUp, I believe. That's an app where you actually meet face to face. So the positive for that is that you can actually look at the condition of the product and actually examine if it's real or fake if you're trying to buy some expensive product. But yeah, this is a shoe that I bought on OfferUp not too long ago. I don't want to show off all my shoes just because I do want to make a Nike collection video. I got this shoe for $15. This is literally in my top 3 favorite colorways of this shoe specifically. But yeah, some guy was selling them for 20 bucks, and I was like, hey, I'll do 15 bucks. So yeah, again, Grailed, Mercari, Depop, Poshmark, and OfferUp are great places to buy products for a good deal. Yeah, this is from Rip and Dip. This is so sick. These are just stickers. It's a Rip and Dip jacket. This was pretty expensive, probably one of the most expensive piece of clothing I ever bought. This was literally the last jacket. I don't know what happened to the pocket right here and right here. It's missing something, and this is pretty heavy. Oh damn, it's corduroyed on the sleeves. I totally forgot that this was on the back. There's just so much to this piece. Like, this jacket was $110. I was like, I'll make extra $110 just so I could buy this jacket. I don't know if this is like leather material. Then we got missing pockets. I don't know what's here. Basic buttons. The inside is crazy. Like with the, I guess there's, never mind. The inside is missing too. I feel like 110 is a really cheap price, but let's try this on. Excuse the messy room, but oh shit. Oh shit. But yeah, hopefully this video helps with saving money for future products. Yeah, but let's get on with the vlog. So if you guys live in the US, I'm pretty sure you guys know that stores are starting to reopen, which I think it is so stupid, because once that's established, everyone's gonna want to go out again and everyone's gonna get sick. Ah man, Americans. Yo, we with the boys. I'm a girl. Oh shit. My boy looking thick. We're in San Pedro, and Jeremy's trying, I don't know, Jeremy's trying to leak clips, but he's saying we don't use all these, so. Which one of y'all like Wendy's? Huh?
I'm vegan.
I'm Mexican.
Wendy's alright.
Wendy's not taking.
Dude.
Oh shit, the camera.
I don't really wanna talk. I just learned to play guitar. Mom is on the pills again. I don't want anything from you. She wake up and do her makeup for something else. She goes sleep with the sun. I caught her today, but she out doing something else. She don't wanna end up with a guy, don't know me. You can't even read the signs of the type of guy that calls her whenever it's on swerving out of love on my
Quick update, just want to let you guys know that the next Borderline Skate Edit United We Stand video is basically done. Just got to put a few final touches to the video and new clothes should be dropping along with the video. Hopefully next week. I was really aiming for this week, but I just didn't really want to hype it up and put out the video with the whole Black Lives Matter situation going on right now. But yeah, to stay updated, just go follow at Borderline Worldwide on Instagram for the release dates. Been working really hard towards the video, so hopefully you guys are stoked. But yeah, going back to the Black Lives Matter movement, very serious topic. If you guys have any money to donate what you can. And there are other ways to donate if you guys don't have money, such as clicking the video and the link in the description below. All the ads in the video does generate revenue towards the Black Lives Matter movement. Go to protests, share positive information, factual information, and if you guys are protesting, hopefully you guys are being safe. And yeah, so just do whatever you guys can to help out with the Black Lives Matter situation, and hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh, we can't skate here? Oh, bro, doing it. Oh, shit.
That's his mom and dad.
What? That's crazy.
Who is that?
That's my dad.
What?
No, I'm kidding. He's seeing my coworker. You know, when people reveal their actual face, when they take off their mask, fuck, man. You know who's real and who's fake.
You're fake.
You're fake, bro. I was trying to take a photo of you fucking said.
Good, Jay? Don't look at me, look at Jay, bro.
Oh, it hit my chin. It hit my chin. Did it?
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no.
That was crazy.
We had this in the carpool.
When we come to the spot, Mowgli's the only one with the board. Alright.
Can I have it? Like, I don't have toilet paper at home.
Get back, bro.
Dude, I don't have toilet
What are you
paper at
fucking poor? No, okay.
That one hurt, but I don't need toilet paper. He said that one hurt. Hey, you need toilet paper?
Yes, dude. Why do you think I have it in my car, dude?
Dude, the cops are coming.
Dude, did you seriously open a new one? Dude, chill out, dude.
You guys all have a lemon now.
I don't know what to do.
It gives you lemon, bro. What are you gonna do with it?
Take my balls and then throw it at you.
Hold these nuts.
And I thought my next video was surprising your poor friend. I guess not.
Surprising with a new car, a new bumper at least.
Hey, this is kind of fucked up, but like, Freddie's like, Jay's over here. I'm like, how do you know? He's like, cause it was bumper. And I'm like, there is no bumper.
How do you know? Cause it's bumper. I don't have a bumper. Straight up, it's like.
That shit's not funny, bro.
No,
It's
look
not.
at his car and laugh. Look at his car and try not to laugh.
Did you get the thing back?
Oh, you got mine.
Alright.
Bro, I would.
I got some tips of hand that comes in his butt. I don't say shit.
Where? I want to see this.
He came in his butt.